Guys, good morning. Gagawa ako ngayon ng arang para sa palaka. Ito guys, Spoke to ng motor guys, yung kinuha ko para gawin nating arang. Ito yung pangtusok sa palaka. Ito guys, spoke ng motor. Spoke ng motor to. Itong gawin kong pantusok sa palaka. Gawin kong arang. Ito guys, nah, ibu. Atu laon nil ko. Ganito mangyari dito guys pag matapos na. Parang ganyan. Parang ganyan guys. Yan guys, malapit na matapos. Yan. Ito lang isa yung kulang, dalawa. Yan guys, itong gawin itong arang oh. Yan.
Moments later.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret.